BSNL is offering prepaid, postpaid, Wings app, free hotspot services to its customer. Besides, the state-run telecom operator BSNL is providing broadband and landline services to its users. In addition, the company allows its users to make their bill payment online via several methods. Notably, making payments online is the most convenient way to clear the bills. So, here are some steps that will allow you to clear your broadband bills online. First, you need to open the bill payment page. Then tap on the individual or Bharat Fiber plan. Then you need to type the broadband and FTTH number, STD code without 0, your email ID, and enter the CAPTCHA code in the box. Tap on the submit button to get the details of the bill and click on the Pay Now option. Click on the payment mode, enter the security code and click on the payment option. Now you have to write your bank card and UPI details to complete the process. It is done and you'll receive a confirmation message from the company along with the transaction ID and after making the payment or clearing the payment. Now I'll tell you how to clear BSNL broadband bill payment via Paytm. First, you need to open the app and click on the broadband section and landline bill payment segment. Now you click on the BSNL section, write the account number along with the STD code without 0 and click on the Get Bill option. Now you have to enter the amount. Pick the bill payment option. Then you have to choose the method of payment, that is debit, credit card, net banking or Paytm wallet. It is worth noting that after making the payment, you'll get a message on mobile or your email ID. Additionally, Paytm allows you to get discounts and deals after making the payment. Here is how to make BSNL broadband bill payment through MobiKwik. Select the broadband section under the recharge and bill payment section on the app. Now you have to click on the BSNL broadband, type your mobile number and account number. Click on the continue button and details of the bill will appear on the screen. Now you have to choose the payment mode to make the payment clear. The company has launched international roaming prepaid services. The telecom operator launched international roaming services in Tanzania, Hong Kong and Australia. These services are already available via the company's partner networks. Apart from the prepaid users, BSNL has also launched the services for postpaid users. These services are available in 195 countries on 476 networks. These countries include Sri Lanka, Thailand, Tanzania, Turkey, UAE, Uganda, UK, USA, Russia, Maldives and many more. However, to activate the services, user have to follow these steps. User need to replace the SIM with a newly launched prepaid international roaming SIM. User can visit the near customer store or service center. For that, you need to submit all your ID proofs along with the Aadhaar card to get the SIM card. After getting the SIM card, user have to wait so that services can be activated. The BSNL international roaming STVs are available with Rs 58 and Rs 168. So guys, that's all from us every day. Keep watching Gizmod for all tech related news and update. Thank you so much.